Welcome everyone. Your Pixelate is not turning on. It's not starting. When you charge it, it does nothing. First thing, my Pixel's working, so if I tap the screen, it's going to wake. Well, almost didn't there. But if your phone is not turning on and you are charging the phone, before we do anything, make sure you unplug the phone from the charger. So the first solution is a force restart. This will help, software may have caused your phone to not start. And to fix this, we're going to press and hold both power and volume up together. So press and hold these two down, and you're going to keep these two held down for 15 seconds. So you won't see anything sharp on your screen. You won't see the lock screen. Just keep on holding these two down. And so I'm going to count 12, 13, 14, 15, and then release from both buttons from the screen. And give it about 10 seconds. And if you see the Google logo, great. It was just a software flaw. There's no problem there, and you are in business. If you don't see this, give it 2 or 3 attempts. Rewind the video. Click and hold the buttons exactly when I do. Stop, holding the buttons exactly when I do in the video. So just leave the video playing as you do the force restart. Give it 2 more tries. And if you get it working, awesome. If you don't get it working, then we will need to move to the next solution. So what's happened is some cables unplugged, a display cable, a battery cable. Without completely disassembling the phone, we can try and force the cable back in. So I'm going to show you how to do that one now. Without completely disassembling the phone, we can try and force the cable back in. So I'm going to show you how to do that one now. So the first solution we're going to do is we're going to get 2 fingers and we're going to tap really hard all the way across the display. I'm going to turn my phone off. Yours would be off because it shows a black screen. I'm just going to turn it off while I do this. We can get 2 fingers here, 1 hand to rest, and we're just going to tap really hard all the way across the screen. Make sure every single side is covered. Make sure you do this nice and slowly at maximum force. Okay, you're not going to break the phone. So we've done the screen. We're then going to flip the phone, and we're going to do the same at maximum force here. Okay, all the way across the back of the phone. Make sure you add as much force as possible. We'll then tap around the camera bar and the top of the phone as well. Once we've done this, we're then going to do a massage. So we have the front screen here. We're going to get 2 fingers and we're going to push as hard as we can on the screen, and we're going to rub both thumbs together. So just keep on this, push, and this will feel like a workout. Okay, but it's a workout which may end up being worth it. Now we'll do the same on the back of the screen as well. Maximum force while you do this. Okay, as much force as possible. And once we have done this, leave your phone on the charger for about half an hour. And then unplug the phone from the charger. Give it about 10 seconds. Alright, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then do that same force restart. So power and volume up. Press and hold these 2. And if you see the Google logo, great. If you don't, try this again. And if that still doesn't work, then you will need to take your phone into repair. It seems like your phone is gone. If your phone's under warranty, you may be able to get it covered. Unless it was like liquid damage, and you wouldn't be able to. You may also even have phone insurance that you may not know about. Some credit cards or phone insurance. So you may explore your options, but I don't think any YouTube videos will be able to help you out in this situation. Let me know if method 1 or 2 is working for you in the comments so other people can see. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.